This is a little bit of code I keep when I need an example of how to do, say, multiple rectangles using changed coordinates. And it uses the graphics library by John Zella. It's open source, GPL license, very simple to use, very nicely done. And from his library we're going to import everything. We're going to create a window called rectangle that is 1320, this is the X, by 600, that's the Y. We're going to use different coordinates, so the lower part of the window, the lower left X coordinate will be 0, the lower left Y coordinate will be -12, the upper right X coordinate is 16, and the upper right Y coordinate is 1. And then we're going to set the background to white. Let's scroll down. We're going to draw two rectangles. These 4 lines will draw one rectangle. These 4 lines will draw another rectangle. And then when that happens, we're going to wait in the window to get a mouse click. When that happens, we'll close and then we'll print done. I'm getting ahead of myself here though. The first rectangle will be drawn starting with the lower left point beginning at 1 and -10 based on these coordinates. And the upper right will be 10 and -5 again based on those coordinates. We'll fill it with red, we'll outline it with black, and then we'll draw it to the window. Likewise, the second rectangle in the window will be starting at point X and Y, so 1 and -4, and the upper right point will be 2 and -7, and based on that it will draw a rectangle. Set fill to black, outline is black, and then we'll draw it to the window, and again we'll wait for the mouse click, we'll close and print done to show we terminated normally. Okay, let's run it and see what it does. Boom. So here are our two rectangles. So here's the black one this way, and then here's the red one that way, based on our modified coordinates. Okay, well that was it. Just a good example of multiple rectangles using modified coordinates to keep in your Python library for future reference. Hope you found it useful and interesting in your Python graphics programming.